Today I am going to talk about healthy food and a healthy life. Health is one of the most valuable gifts in our lives. Without good health, we cannot study well, play happily, or achieve our dreams. One of the most important ways to stay healthy is by eating healthy food and following a healthy lifestyle. Healthy food gives our body the nutrients it needs to grow, stay strong, and fight diseases. Foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, milk, eggs, nuts, and pulses are rich in vitamins, minerals, protein, and fiber. These nutrients help our body work properly. For example, fruits and vegetables protect us from illness, milk and eggs make our bones and muscles strong, and grains give us energy to work and play. On the other hand, unhealthy food can harm our body. Junk foods like chips, burgers, sugary drinks, and sweets may taste good, but they contain too much sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. Eating too much junk food can make us feel tired, slow, and unhealthy. It can also lead to problems like obesity, weak immunity, and poor concentration. That is why we should limit junk food and choose healthy options instead. Healthy eating does not mean eating expensive food. Simple home-cooked meals are often the healthiest. A balanced diet includes all types of food in the right amount. We should eat plenty of fruits and vegetables every day, drink enough water, and avoid skipping meals, especially breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day because it gives us energy to start our day actively. Healthy food alone is not enough for a healthy life. We must also follow healthy habits. Regular physical activity is very important. Activities like walking, cycling, playing sports, yoga, or simple exercises keep our body fit and our mind fresh. Exercise helps improve blood circulation, strengthens muscles, and reduces stress. Sleep is another important part of a healthy lifestyle. Our body needs enough rest to repair and refresh itself. Teenagers should sleep at least 8 to 9 hours a day. Lack of sleep can make us feel tired, angry, and unable to focus on studies. Going to bed early and waking up early is a good habit for both the body and mind. Mental health is also a key part of a healthy life. We should take time to relax, enjoy hobbies, and spend time with family and friends. Talking about our feelings and managing stress in a positive way helps us stay emotionally strong. A healthy mind helps us make better choices, including choosing healthy food. Good hygiene is another healthy habit. Washing hands before eating, brushing teeth twice a day, and keeping our surroundings clean protect us from germs and diseases. Small habits like these make a big difference in our overall health. In conclusion, healthy food and a healthy life go hand in hand. By eating nutritious food, exercising regularly, sleeping well, and maintaining good habits, we can live a happy and active life. Health is not something we can buy, it is something we must care for every day. If we start following healthy habits now, we will enjoy a brighter and healthier future.